Welcome to the Consultation Manager tutorial videos. In this video, we'll be looking at how to add stakeholders and properties to the system. In this example, we'll be adding a stakeholder. However, it's the same process for properties. The first thing you want to do before adding any stakeholder or property is to run a search in the system to make sure you're not adding a duplicate entry. If your stakeholder or property are not already in the system, you can access the Add Stakeholder window by clicking on the Add button on the far right of the toolbar in the search grid. You can also bring up the Add Stakeholder window from the dashboard or from the top right hand corner by hovering over the Add button and clicking on Stakeholder. In the Add Stakeholder window, you simply add the stakeholder's details on the left hand side and select the stakeholder groups and distribution lists they best fit into on the right-hand side. The stakeholder's email address will be used with the eNews tool to send email notifications. The mobile number will be used for SMS, and the stakeholder's address can be used with the mapping tool. When adding the address details of the stakeholder, if this is also their property, you can select the checkbox to create a property with this address, and then proceed to describe the relationship between the stakeholder and the property. This is a free text field, so if what you need is not there, you can type in the relationship. Next, select the stakeholder groups and the distribution list that this stakeholder is relevant to. Once all of the details on this page have been entered, click on the Create button to add the new stakeholder to the database. You can now either click Add Another if you have more stakeholders or properties you want to add, or click Continue to open your new profile in the workspace. After opening the new profile, in the details on the left, scroll down to the linked projects, click on the plus button to expand the projects, and select the projects that this stakeholder is relevant to. After selecting the projects, scroll back up to the top and click on Save Changes. Any profile can be updated in the system at any time just by editing the details and clicking Save Changes. From the stakeholder profile, you can add more relationships if necessary, or go ahead to create an event, which will be covered in the next video. Thank you for watching, and please get in touch with us or refer to our user guide for more detailed information.